What's up YouTube, Obama Suit here. Come back with another video break of the new 2009 Absolute Memorabilia. Alright, pack one. Let's go with the pack that's not sealed. Oh, look at that. Look how thick that card is. See how thick that card is in the middle? You probably can't see it. One thick card in there. Pack one. There's a thick card in here. Yeah, let's hope it's a Shield or a Reebok logo or something, but it's thick. It is pretty thick. Could probably just be an RPM. I don't know. I got a War Room insert of Chris Beanie Wells. Number 23/25. And the card isn't as good as I thought it was. It's just a patch. That's why it's so freaking thick. 2-color patch. Number 18/50. Black and white for the Steelers. Hines Ward. Hines Ward 2-color patch for the Steelers. That's why it was so thick. It is a thick patch though. There's a thick patch stitching right down the middle. Alright. This one has an autograph in it. I can tell. It's super thin. Unless they forgot our hit. Alright. Super thin pack. Super thin. Rookie card of David Johnson. Number to 499. And yeah, autograph. Rookie autograph numbered to 149 of Rashad Jennings. Rashad Jennings rookie autograph number to 499 for the Jaguars. That's why it's so thin. Yeah, O is right. O is right. But yeah, hell yeah, Beto. Another thick one. I like seeing the thick ones in here. Another thick pack, or thick card, I should say. Spectrum card of Brandon Gibson, number 18/25. Pretty nice. 2-color patch with some blue in the middle. White and red Pro Bowl patch, numbered 42/50 of Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning 2-color patch with some blue in the middle of it. Can you see that blue? Pretty cool. Pretty sick. It's actually bulging out of the card. Weird. Alright, last pack. Yeah. Of course it's not. It's cold. It's thick. Let's get a good rookie autograph, man. Let's pull a freaking Mark Sanchez or freaking something. Alright. Curtis Painter rookie card, numbered to 999. Or excuse me, 499 for the Colts. Oh, damn. If that was autographed, that would have been freaking retarded. But it's not. But still, a really nice looking card. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Huge stitching. Busting out of the card. Number 24/25. Rookie, LaShawn McCoy. LaShawn McCoy. Look at that patch. Sick ass patch. Yeah, that patch is sick. All types of colors in there. It would be nice if it was autographed, but number to 25. Manny. So that's our box break. Really nice looking. Just recap it real quick since I have some time. Number 24-25 was Sean McCoy jumbo jersey. Had the Peyton Manning 2-color patch Pro Bowl. Had the Rashad Jennings autograph and the Hines Ward 2-color patch. Alright, so that's a 2009 Absolute Break. Bowman to Suit out.